I've created an audio.html file. Okay, within the body I have put a play button. Okay, and in our JS file I've created the audio object const audio player equal new audio, and within the parenthesis we need to provide the path of our audio file. Next we are going to reference our play button in the JS file using document.getElementById. Okay, and next we are going to add our event listener function. So E18 play dot add event listener, and within the parenthesis we need to add our event as the first parameter, and the second the event handler audio player dot play. Okay, now let's see. So here's our play button. Let's click it. There's no way to stop this audio unless I close the browser. So let us create our stop button. Same as the play button, we are going to repeat the steps for our stop button also. Okay, just in this case we are going to put audio player dot stop. Actually there's no such method called stop, so we are going to put pause. Okay, so let's check now. See, the stop button has appeared. We'll click the stop button after the play button. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda. So basically it's acting as a pause button instead of the stop button. So let us do one thing. We need to reset the audio once the stop button gets clicked, so that on clicking on the play button again, the audio file starts from the beginning. Okay, not from where we have paused. Okay, so for that we are going to add audio player dot current time equals 0. Now this will reset our audio. Okay, let's click the play button followed by the stop button. Govinda Damodara. So our stop button is now working fine. Now let's move on to our pause button. The pause button we have already created, right? So it's the same logic over here, just we don't need to reset the time in case of pause button. Now let's check it out. Govinda Damo Govinda Damo Madhaveti. So it's working fine. Let's move on to volume up and volume down functionalities. Okay, so we'll create two buttons, button volume up and another button for volume down. Okay, next we'll create a reference of these two buttons in our JS file. Okay, then we'll add our event listener for these two buttons. Okay, so for button volume up, within the L function, the event handler will increment the audio player's volume by 0.1, and similarly the volume down button will decrement the volume by 0.1, okay, by 0.1 units. So let's go ahead and check this functionality of volume up and down. So volume up and volume down is working properly. Okay, now let's move on to another song. Let's change the song. For that we need a change song button. Okay, like a shuffle button we can say. So basically I'm just gonna create a very simple button. Okay, so just so let's name it as, let's give it an ID BTN change song, and the label should be change song, okay, for the time being. So this will change our song. We will create the reference to this button in our JS file, okay. Then we'll add the event listener. So here we'll just for audio player.src we'll provide the path of our next audio file, okay. Then we'll put audio player.play. Okay, now let's see.
Adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram.
So that's all for today. Let's meet with a new topic in our next video. Till then, happy coding.